When it comes to heat printing trendy fanwear for fall, it all starts with a really awesome design. Designs can take any t-shirt, hoodie, or even accessories to the next level, all by using really trendy graphics. But no worries, you don't need to be a graphic artist. All you need is the Stahls Vinyl Designer, and then you can be creating designs that pop just like this. And I'm gonna show you how. Let's start by visiting stahls.com. On the screen, you can see that we are at the Stahls.com Custom HTV Designer, otherwise known as the Stahls Vinyl Designer. To get here, you're going to go to Stahls.com and you're going to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you can select Vinyl Designer at the top left-hand corner of the window, and then that is going to populate the designer on the screen, and it's going to take you directly to this blue screen that you see here. Right, then it's going to prompt you to get started by selecting one of the following from the menu. Because we already have a variety of templates and designs in here ready to work with, we're going to begin by selecting templates. Now, as soon as we come in, we will see all the designs on the left-hand side that we are able to work with. And we just click one, it's going to go ahead and generate right into our designer in the white screen here so that we can then customize. Now, as I mentioned, retro or vintage designs are extremely popular when it comes to fanwear, and that can be anything from a drop shadow to bubble text to contours. And you can see while you're scrolling through all of the templates that have been added that there are a variety of those effects throughout. So the one that we are going to work with that was showcased earlier at the start of the video is this one here. Now, whenever you hover over it, you're going to see the name of the design, and it says CC-00536C. What I want you to pay close attention to here is the C at the end of the name. That is going to indicate that this is a custom design. So whenever I click that, it's going to go ahead and populate into my designer portion so that I can now edit it. That C stands for custom, which means that everything can be completely customized to how I would like that design to be, right? So if anything were to have an S after it, that means it is stock, and if it has an SC after it, then that means stock and custom, which may have a stock piece of clip art that may not be able to be edited, but you might be able to customize text with it. So just for future reference, as you are going through different templates and designs within our designer, that is what a variety of those different things mean. Here's a good example of what that is. CS means that seniors cannot be edited, but the school name here can be. All right, so as I mentioned, we are going to be working with this design here. And right now it says Lakeview Wildcats. And we have a nice, fun, wavy font using bubble style letters. And we are able to have multiple color in here. So we're going to go ahead and customize. It's very, very simple. That's one of the great things about the Vinyl Designer is whatever you want to edit, you're just going to go ahead and double click, and then you can type in exactly what you want. So what we want to change Lakeview to is Brighton, the name of the school. And then we are going to change each of these to Bulldogs. Just going to repeat that step for each thing. As you can see here, it is already templated to have this wave effect so that I do not have to do any additional editing outside of some changes that I want to make. All right, so now that we have the accurate school name and mascot, now it's time to give it the correct colors and make any additional edits that I want to that will add some uniqueness to the overall design. So right now I'm looking at a navy and red design. You can see that represented whenever I go up and click the color chiclet here at the top of the designer menu. And that is showing me a nice deep navy. Now I do want that to be black, so I'm just going to take that down into the black area of the colors. And then since I already have that black selected, I'm just going to select all of the navy. And I'm going to change that to black as well, just by selecting the color I already have in there. Now, I do want to do a couple of other edits. Just again, as I mentioned, we want to be a little unique from just a standard templated design. This is already really cool, so I'm not going to do too much editing, but I do want to add a little bit more to it. So I'm going to keep the overall format, but what I want to do is create another color as if we are having the white from the t-shirt show through. All right, so that's one tip. If you don't want to use 3 different colors in your design, you can create the illusion that there are 3 colors by allowing the garment to show through as the 3rd color. And it's really easy to do. All you have to do is select which piece you want to change. So once you have that selected, you'll go up to Effects. You can see that the envelope effect is already there. We want to keep that there and then just select Add New. And I'm just going to scroll down through the effects until I find the one that I want to use. And we are going to use this combined contour, and you can see that changes it to just an outline of the text. And then I can go ahead and just change that to the color that I want it to be so that it is matching the rest of the design, right? So since we are applying on a white garment, you can see that that's going to show through as white. So I'll still have just black and red heat transfer vinyl to cut and then heat apply, and our design is complete. All you have to do from here, once the design looks how you want it to, is go to File and Export and select which file type you want that to be, depending on what vinyl cutter you are using. And that's how easy it is to customize and use templates within the Stahls Vinyl Designer.